Thanks for joining us, guys. We're over at the Imagination Institute, and we're getting ready to go on the Figment ride. So buckle up with us. We're just about ready to take off, so we're just waiting final checks and stuff like that, and we're getting ready to head on in. Somebody there's still got a mask on, so when you guys are going around, you will see people that are wearing masks and stuff like that. You don't see a lot of it anymore, but there is still some out there. Bye-bye! And this is a pretty cool ride if you guys haven't been on it.
Welcome to our special drive-through.
This is one of the fun ones. Yeah, if you got the little kids and stuff like that, this is definitely one you want to get on.
You'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, coochie-coochie-coo, and taste. Taste my chicken. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
Out of sight? Okay. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Figment, you are not to interfere with the tour. Our first stop is the sound lab. We'll begin by testing your hearing with a series of tones. Left ear, right ear. Left, right. What? This is odd. Who is this?
It's Figment.
Figment? I thought I told you not to interfere.
But you got it wrong, Doc. It's not about listening with your ears. It's about listening with your imagination.
Now I've completely lost my train of thought.
No, you haven't. For every sound, your ears are different things from just the sound. Your mind has wings.
Continuing now with playing in a calm, scientific, figment-free manner, the things we see with our eyes can control the eyes of the imagination. Let's begin by using the eye chart to test your vision. Now, all together, if you would please read line 3 and
With F-I-G-M-E-N-T, you can see things differently. Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination. Follow the bouncing figment. What sparkle light can light your fancy? Your mind sees more than what your eyes see. Your sense of sight can make your fancy fly. There's more to sight.
eyes. Imagination must be captured and controlled.
Turn your imagination loose and anything can happen.
Our research shows that smells often trigger the imagination, especially when pleasant, familiar smells come into play.
Come into play? I'd love to.
This is not a good time.
It's always a good time to use your imagination, so let the good times roll. Woohoo! You win 1 cent.
But you don't. Really stinks.
Of course, Doc. The nose knows. And he said you really. What lovely scent can be appealing. Your mind defines what enters through your nose. That's how you tell what's coming on.
I'm sorry, but after that big stink in the smell lab, I hesitate to send you into the touch and taste labs. Perhaps I should use my open house right here.
Great idea. We'll go to my open house instead. It's much more fun. Right this way, everybody.
What's going on? You're turning this entire open house upside down.
Upside down? Now you're talking. That's the best idea you've had all day. With just a spark of inspiration.
kindly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast.
Our inspiration is at the heart of our creation, right at the start of everything that now we invite you to set your imaginations free in the ImageWorks.
And thanks for joining us again, guys. So that was the Imagination Institute. This is the Figment ride, and we're getting ready to head on out and stuff like that. We hope you like the ride. Keep posting. We're going to keep getting these videos out, guys. See you on the next one.